सुप्रभात आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे मित्रों। आज मैं अक्षता और शारिक कक्षा 9 से हिंदी भाषा पर कुछ रोचक तथ्य बताने जा रहे हैं। पहला, पूरे विश्व में 500 मिलियन से भी ज्यादा लोग हिंदी बोल और समझ सकते हैं, जो इसे विश्व में सबसे ज्यादा बोली जाने वाली भाषाओं में से एक बनाता है। दूसरा, भारत में आज के समय बोली जाने वाली हिंदी को मॉडर्न स्टैंडर्ड हिंदी या मानक हिंदी कहा जाता है। तीसरा, हिंदी उन 7 भाषाओं में से एक है जिससे हम वेब एड्रेस बना सकते हैं। चौथा, हिंदी के 4 रूप हैं: वीर गाथा, श्रृंगार, भक्ति और आधुनिक साहित्य। पांचवा, चाहे हिंदी भारत की आधिकारिक भाषा हो, लेकिन भारत की कोई राष्ट्रभाषा नहीं है। हिंदी को भारत की राष्ट्रभाषा बनाने के लिए बहुत लंबे समय से विवाद चल रहा है, परंतु इस पर अब तक कोई मुहर नहीं लगी है।
छठा, 1905 में हिंदी भाषा को भारत की आधिकारिक भाषा का दर्जा मिला। सातवां, 1954 में भारत सरकार ने हिंदी व्याकरण तैयार करने के लिए समिति का गठन किया। आठवां, हिंदी को अपना नाम एक पर्शियन शब्द हिंदू से मिला, जिसका मतलब है पवित्र नदी की भूमि। नौवां, सरकार ने संयुक्त राष्ट्र की आधिकारिक भाषाओं में से हिंदी को शामिल करने के लिए सालाना 250 करोड़ रुपए खर्च किया है। 10वां, 1805 में प्रकाशित लल्लू लाल द्वारा लिखित श्री कृष्ण पर आधारित किताब प्रेम सागर को हिंदी में लिखी गई पहली किताब माना जाता है। धन्यवाद और आपका दिन शुभ रहे।
Leonardo da Vinci died on 15th May 1972.
Good morning, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am Albin from class 9 going to tell you about the great astronomer Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was the first of major mathematician astronomer from the classic age of India's astronomy and India's mathematics. Aryabhatta was born in Pataliputra and lived from 476 AD to 550 AD. He completed his education from the ancient University of Nalanda and later he moved and lived in Targana district in Bihar in the late 5th and early 6th century. Aryabhatta contributed immense towards astronomy. He proposed the heliocentric theory, which states that all planets revolve around the sun. With the help of this theory, he calculated the speed of different planets with respect to the sun. He covered a wide range of topics such as extracting square roots, solving quadratic equation, and predicting eclipse. The Aryabhatta spacecraft, India's first satellite, was named after the famous Indian astronomer Aryabhatta. Thank you and have a nice day.
Today I, Aishwarya from class 9th, is going to speak on World First Aid Day. The World First Aid Day is observed on the second Saturday of September every year to create awareness about the importance of first aid in preventing injuries and saving lives. The World First Aid Day 2020 is observed on 12th September. The day was started by the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies in 2000 to educate people in the world of the benefits of first aid, the need of first aid and the right way to do first aid. The first aid is the first and immediate assistance given to any person suffering from either a minor or a serious illness or injury, with care provided to preserve life, prevent the condition from worsening or to promote recovery. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I, Kiara from class 9 is going to explain you how to treat a minor burn. To treat a minor burn, we should do the following steps. Step 1. Cool the burn. Step 2. Remove the tied items such as the ring, bangles, etc. Step 3. Don't break the blisters. Step 4. Apply lotion. Step 5. Bandage the burn. Step 6. Take a pain reliever. Step 7. For the last step, take a tetanus shot. Thank you and have a nice day.
Steps to treat a minor cut. Step 1. Wash your hands with soap and water. Step 2. Gently wash the cut. Step 3. Apply some pressure to stop bleeding with the help of a clean cotton cloth. Step 4. Apply some petroleum jelly. And the last step. Cover it with a bandage. Thank you.
My name is Simran Anvekar and today I am going to tell what a basic first aid kit may contain. First, plasters in a variety of different shapes and sizes. Second, small, medium and large sterile gauze dressings. Third, at least 3 of sterile eye dressings. Fourth, triangular bandages. Fifth, crepe roll bandages. Seventh, safety pins. Eighth, tweezers, and ninth, disposal gloves. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am Lan from class 9 is going to tell you about National Engineers Day. National Engineers Day is celebrated every year on 15th of September. It is celebrated to appreciate the eminent contribution of Sir Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya in the field of engineering. Sir Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya was born in 15 September 1861 in a village of Karnataka. He was an Indian civil engineer, statesman and the 19th Diwan of Mysore. He was responsible for the consolidation and building of dams all across the country. He received the Bharat Ratna in the year 1955 for his great contribution in the field of engineering. He died in 14 April 1962. Now I and my friends Adi and Albin are going to tell you about some brilliant engineers who are remembered for their enormous contribution in the field of engineering. First one, Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla was born in modern-day Croatia in 10th July 1856. He later migrated to the United States in the year 1884. He is remembered for his invention of alternating current electric system. He is also regarded for his invention of the violet rays, the induction motor and the Tesla's coil. He received the Edison Medal in 1916 and the John Scott Medal in 1936. He died in 7 January 1943 in New York, United States.
Good morning everyone. Today I Adi is going to talk on Leonardo da Vinci on the occasion of Engineers Day. Leonardo da Vinci was born on 15 April 1452. He was born in Vinci, which is in Italy. He is known for paintings such as Mona Lisa, The Last Supper and The Battle of Argari. Some interesting facts on Leonardo da Vinci are that he used to write from left to right, which is known as mirror writing. So, if we want his writing to be legible, we had to face it towards the mirror so that we could read it. Leonardo da Vinci designed the first flying machine approximately 400 years before Wright brothers designed the first sustained flight. One of the famous paintings by Leonardo are Mona Lisa, which is a portrait of Lisa Gardani. These paintings are one of the most expensive and important paintings in the world. This painting expresses smile as well as sadness. The last painting of Leonardo da Vinci is The Last Supper, which is a relief